Fast forward to 2023. Cassie filed a lawsuit accusing Diddy of years of abuse. It was settled in less than 24 hours for $20 million. Then came surveillance footage, witness testimony. And now Diddy is facing serious federal charges. Cassie, while not on trial, has taken the stand with explosive testimony. But here is what is not being said. This is where I need to speak from personal truth. Because sometimes, headlines do not tell the full story. And sympathy gets confused with accountability. See, while Cassie is not the one in court, I do not see her as completely innocent. From the outside looking in, it feels like she was not just a victim. She was involved. When you say you were forced, but then testify that you enjoyed some of it, that raises questions. That sounds like more than just trauma. That sounds like participation. I am not speaking as someone who does not understand pain. I have been in an abusive marriage. And that is different from being in an abusive relationship. In a marriage, you are tied in ways that make leaving almost impossible. In a relationship, once you are out, once he lets you go to the police. You protect yourself. You break the cycle. Cassie stayed for 11 years. That is not survival, it's a choice. And from her own words in court, she said she enjoyed parts of what they did. That is not something we can ignore just because she is a woman. Let's talk about the men Cassie crossed paths with while she was still tied to Diddy. Alex Fine was Diddy's trainer before he became hers. Now he's her husband. Kid Cudi dated her briefly. Diddy found out and allegedly reacted with violence. Michael B. Jordan was never confirmed, but Diddy accused her anyway. And then there's Andre Branch, the former NFL player Diddy allegedly suspected Cassie had something going on with. But it makes you wonder, were there more? Did she have a pattern of dating from Diddy's circle? If she was truly afraid, why take those chances? Or was it survival in a world she couldn't, or didn't want to escape? And when she finally left, did she get a police protection order? Did Diddy follow her, harass her, or did she walk away untouched? Whatever the reason, one question still lingers. Who is Cassie, really? Let's step out of the headlines and into the truth too many ignore. Being young does not mean you throw away your morals. Many 19-year-olds do not take that path. So why did she? I am not saying Diddy is not sick. He is. But Cassie? She needs help too. Because they were in that world together. A team. A business. A lifestyle built on silence, secrets, and exploitation. She was not just sitting in the background. She was part of it.
That's a wrap, History Seekers. Catch the full story on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Peace and love.